19th century, in 1826, on the plains of Dodowa, destiny was tested. The Ashanti Empire, with allies from Dangme, Mamprusi and Dagomba, and Dutch cannons at their side, marched to tighten their hold on the Gold Coast. Opposing them stood a rare coalition, the Ga Dangme, Fante, Akyem, Akwamo, and Denkira, joined by 60 British soldiers, armed and reinforced by the Danes. This was Katamanso, a clash of fire and courage, where kingdoms rose, empires faltered, and history was carved into the land.
Right to left? Yes, the bread is next. Good. They are steady now.
Dinner is ready, sir.
Thank you. Inform the others. Local alliances will be crucial. Yes, respect, trade, diplomacy, inseparable here. And the castle? A foothold only unless handled correctly.
These spices weigh true.
A fair measure. Now, the cloth?
Show me the weave. My people, the dust of many lands still clings to our feet. We did not walk softly, we conquered. Now our eyes turn to the waters. The coast believes it is protected by waves. My king, you sure this path be the right one? The Dangme, they carry strong weapons now, and the British stand with them. Often Sohene, hear me well. The Ashanti kingdom was not forged in reckless vengeance, for a throne built on fury devours itself. But know this, I shall pursue our enemies into the very belly of Kamfra. They will find no shadow to hide in. No soul shall escape wrath at the golden stool. Great Asante Ini, shield of the golden stool, my discipline is unshaken. The sea will learn our drums. The coastal lands will kneel as the others did. My king, we cannot stand against them by ourselves. My king, we must send word to Naya. Their warriors are loyal allies. They bring strength to the battle, and they stand without fear. Send word to my royal messenger immediately. He is summoned to attend the council at once. I stand before you, my lords. Bless me in the strength for the unknown battle that awaits me. My king, I must take my leave now. The warriors await me. Great King, Lion of Ashanti, I stand before you as commanded. Rise, son of the soil. You have walked with strength. The north waits for words that carry weight. My king, your message will not fall to the dust. Then carry it with honor. You will go to Yana, ruler of the Dagomba lands. You will speak as my voice. You will tell him this: Asante has crossed forests and broken strong towns. Now the battle waits at Katamanso. Tell King Yana, Ashanti does not seek alliance without purpose. Let him know the coastal tribes at Katamanso and Dodowa grow stronger. The coastal tribes block trade. Now test our strength. Dagbon must stand with Ashanti. Together we rise our spears in battle. And if the Dagbon king asks what binds this promise, if Yana joins this alliance, land shall be granted in honor, fertile ground in the south, trade routes open, tribute shared. Ashanti's too do not break oath. Then I go north, my king. Your voice will reach Yana. The enemy knows the secret of their lands, that's their advantages. But when the Dagombas take over the mountains, we hold ground on the land. King Takikome, I greet you well. The sea bring me safely to your court today. You're welcome, brother. Our land and all always open to friends. These days, friendship go matter more than ever. My scouts see Ashanti banners moving closer. Their steps no be small. Yes, traders talk same, they watch the coast now. If they cross into Dangme lands, we must stand firm together. Brothers, tighten the beads, fasten the leather. Tonight we stand not as men alone, we stand as the shield of our ancestors. Men, guard yourselves. We meet the king at the shoreline. My king, the scouts return. Ashanti lines gather beyond Dodowa. They move with confidence like men certain of victory. Good. Tomorrow the Ashanti will see not just warriors but a people who remember Katamanso and refuse to bow again. Yes, my king, the Ashanti learned our strength that day. But this time Dodowa will test both sides again. Our men are ready. Good. Our scouts report Ashanti movement inland. Their lines grow, but so does our resolve. The Dangme clan stand united behind you. Unity wins wars before blades ever cross. Pride alone breaks kingdoms. The enemy is near. Our spears will hold. The warriors believe in you, king. They know Dodowa may decide the balance of power. We shall not fall, we are sons of Dodowa. The gods will protect us. Power is temporary. Legacy is permanent. We fight not for conquest, but for survival, honor, and the safety of our people. Then we stand ready. When the drums sound, there will be no hesitation. Readiness is not only spear and shield. It is patience. It is knowing where on the ground it fell favors you. Dodowa's plains will speak if we listen. See you in battle, brother. In battle, brother.
Keep her steady. Atlantic waters demand respect. Aye, sir. Weather improving steadily. Good. Calm seas often mean land draws near.
In the red dust,
Papa, look there, big ships coming from the sea.
ash on the old stone.
Those are not our boats.
Plenty sails. I must go tell the chiefs quickly.
Boy, be careful. The sand carry weight.
Brothers, look, look! The British have returned again.
Locals observing closely. As expected, we are guests here. Conduct yourselves accordingly. A different world entirely. Yes, yet ambition is universal. Careful steps now, gentlemen. History often begins quietly.
Prepare well. Victory often begins before the battle itself.
Katamanso, echoes of Dodowa, lands of the gods.
Great King Takikomi, I come from Fante land with urgent matter. Fante warrior, what has brought you in to my sacred council? Your approach seems urgent. Speak clearly. They advance upon our borders, and our people fear for their homes. We cannot face them alone. They are allied the Dangme tribe, fearless warriors who will stand with them in battle. So now the Ashantis draw their swords against their own blood, for land, for gold. Such a pitiful invasion. The Ashanti king thinks the people of the coast will kneel to his rule. We did not bow before, and we will not bow now. Their king has forgotten his place. We shall remind him that the Fante clan stood on this land long before them. This war will not touch the Fante alone. It threatens every clan across the coast. Our swords and spears shall not be silenced. We have fought them once, and we are ready to fight them again. With your alliance, great king, the Ashantis will fall. The truth is clear. We face a common enemy. Join me in battle. Together we will defeat the Ashantis and their allies and drive them from our lands. King Take Kome, your words honor us and strengthen the hearts of my warriors. I admire your wisdom and courage in the face of our enemy. My warriors and I must now return to prepare for battle. And with your blessing, we shall depart at once. Return to Fante's land. Prepare your warriors. We shall meet on the battlefield at Dodowa. This threat is real. Will the God King stand with us? King Take Kame has given his word. We return home and prepare. Why do the Ashantis push toward us? Power and pride, but unity is stronger. Warriors, we have arrived. Get some rest. We prepare for battle by midnight. Fante warriors, a call to war and unity for Katamanso Dodowa. Prepare yourself, for war awaits us at first rising sun. The Ashantis draw closer. Then we stand ready, with allies or alone. Men, we march to Dodowa before the enemy approaches. Yana, mighty father of Dagbon, I come with the breath of Kumasi. Once allied tribes now turn on us, wielding our stolen legacy like blades.
And who are these foes we are called to rise against? Speak their names, then we may know our enemy.
The Dangme fight with pride and fury. The British arrive with guns and ambition.
Dodowa is not small ground. The mountains holds the strength of the people. Now tell me, who else stand beside the Ga tribe?
The Ga people rise at Katamanso. The British stand with them now. Nana promised after victory, lands shall be shared among allies.
Tell the Ashanti king, Dagbon does not fear war. If the land calls, our feet will answer.
The war ahead will be difficult, Yana, but with courage and unity, we shall prevail.
Then we do not wait. If the Ashanti fall, we will be next. They will come for us, stronger, emboldened.
I must return now, back to Kumasi. King Naya. Assemble your weapons. Call every village chief and war captain. We march before the invaders reach our gates. Let it be known, Dagbon does not kneel.
The messengers from Kumasi sounded urgent. They said the Ashantis are calling for allies again. Yes, for King Naya. If he answers, many our men will march. It will not be a small matter. Do you know who they expect us to face? I heard whispers night. The coastal tribes, led by their great king, King Take Kome. They say he commands strong warriors and knows the sea winds like we know the desert wind. Our men have not fought them before. No, new enemies bring uncertainty. But alliances must hold or we stand alone when our time comes. Do you fear it? Sometimes the unknown is frightening, but we must face it together.
I respect it. Fear without respect blinds you. Respect keeps you alive.
And let us hope wisdom guides the kings before swords must. Speak to you later. Good morning, Baba.
Good morning, my daughter.
Dodowa! Dodowa!
Carry this to Queen Nana Afia. King Komo sends her at once to the Ga Council.
We here.
The Ashanti warriors draw near. And let her give her answer on the alliance or face what follows after the war. Go now. May the gods guide your path. Yes, my king. Your words I carry are swift and faithful. The queen will hear all as you have spoken. Drink, messenger. The forest grants strength. Accept this water and depart it open. Go forth. What brings you here to land of the gods, young man? I come at the command of King Takikom, the great king. He has sent me across the land to bear his word to the queen. Rise up, young man. You can now continue your journey. My mouth speaks only truth. I must see the Queen Mad of Akyem. Great Queen Mother of the East, Mother of the Royal Stool, I come by the command of my king, Lion of the land and voice of the people.
Speak clearly, son of Ga. Do not circle the matter. What does your king ask of Akyem Abuakwa?
My king said, this war will not choose one people. It will destroy many if we did not stand together.
When drums call for truth, Akyem does not close her ears. If the enemy stands against all our people, then the forest will hear our answer.
May the ancestors guide your judgment, and may peace remain within the walls of this palace. With your blessing, Queen Mother, I shall take my leave now.
Your Majesty, King Take Kome, I have received your words. I stand here with honor.
Queen, your words carry weight. I hear not only your voice, but the people who stand behind it. That is how it should be.
I stand here with honor, not only as a queen in my own right, but as a bearer of trust between our peoples.
Drum that is clear across valley is a good sign. It means the message travels without confusion, without fear. I respect that you answered with dignity.
Your message reached me like the drum across the valley, clear, steady, and impossible to ignore.
Know this, my invitation was not sent lightly. When two crowns speak, it is never only ceremony. It is responsibility. It is memory. It is the future watching us.
So I come neither in challenge nor submission, but in dignity, ready to listen, ready to speak truth, and ready to ensure that what our ancestors built together does not falter in our generation.
So you are welcome here not only as a guest, but as a partner in understanding. Let us speak plainly, Queen to King, so that our peoples may walk forward without shadow between them. We gather here at a moment that will test our courage, our unity, and the legacy we leave to those yet unborn. I have summoned you not only as leader, but as a warrior sworn to guard the honor and soil of our ancestors.
These swords in our box are ready. Carry them to the chief commander.
Your Majesty, we come not as conquerors, but as partners. Trade, not tribute.
The land remembered.
Ubake, you are welcomed. Speak plainly. The drums of war already sound across the land. We believe the war had ended with the Anlo conflict. But the Ashanti have returned, this time 40,000 strong. Our scouts bring the same word. Old enemies sharpen old blades. Why have you come now? Seasoned in war, to support your forces and those who stand against Ashanti expansion. Then this war will decide more than territory. It will decide who commands the future of this coast. They sound from Katamanso, Your Majesty. The Ashantis gather strength, and their shadow grows longer with each season.
My warriors stand ready. If destiny demands fire, then fire it shall be. It will be our flame that lights the path forward.
The drums of the invaders grow louder with each passing night. Their shadow creeps ever closer to our lands.
The Akyem will fight. I too will lead my warriors. The Ashantis will witness the inferno of a woman's vengeance.
Your allies will not stand alone. Britain commits 90 officers, trained men, soldiers, Your Majesty. Advisors, commanders, and men who know cannon and musket alike. 90 officers, not traitors, not envoys, but soldiers.
King Takikume, my warriors and I shall now take our leave. The first rising sun will find us ready.
Go, Queen of Akyem, the ancestors walk with you. At Dodowa we shall meet in battle, and the world will witness our strength. Return with our great Queen.
The sun sets. Our journey begins.
Yes, my queen, we are ready.
Forward to the riverlands.
Before the fire,
My people, the time has come.
begun.
Before the fire.
I have an urgent matter that requires the king's attention. I must see him now. My king, message from the scouts. Ashanti, we move fast. They've reached near the plains.
This is awakening for the gods. The Ashants are far from home. Let them come. They no get idea of the secure ground they dare to walk on. We must stand as one tribe. River and forest go fight for us. Dodo forest guards won't forsake us. The quarrels of the old days are finished for us. We shall pour libation to gods and call upon the ancestors. May their spirits guard you, make your arms strong and your hearts fearless. My king, with your blessing, I shall return to my duties. Yes, return to your duties. Alert every warrior to prepare for battle. Your Majesty, we come to share knowledge, not to command. Knowledge is welcome, domination is not.
Ram the charge firmly. Hesitation causes misfire.
My warriors learn quickly. This fire will serve our sovereignty.
Now, the powder.
Proceed. All alliances must honor balance. Respect given, respect returned. Then may our dealings remain honorable, Your Majesty. When the sun rises, we march not for conquest, but for our land and dignity. Stand united. The strength of many is greater than the fear of any enemy. Warriors of the Ga, form ranks. Yes, sir. Advance, hold formation. Well done. Prepare for inspection. Ready the cannon! Push! To the right! Move it! Almost there! Hold! Hold it! The men are ready, my king. Then let our courage arrive before our enemies do.
Warriors, today we no walk as one clan. Today, we march as allies together with the coastal clans to the forest of Dodowa. The path is long, but our spirit is longer.
Nana, Ashanti scouts near Dodowa.
Good. Let them see our dust before our spears. No fear the Ashanti's warriors and their spear. Forest be our mother. She go shield us. She go fight for us.
We go guard you with our blood.
Then let the forest drink only enemy blood.
Courage we carry. We rise. We defend. We protect.
Listen to the wind. They tell us where they move. When I lift my hand, no mercy.
Nana, what if we fall?
If we fall as lions, not as goats.
Men of Akyem, Prepare yourself. Let this day be remembered that we once stand beside King Takikome on the battlefield, right here on Dodowa soil. This will rip us apart in peace to dust. So let it be so, if it is the will of the gods.
Akyem warriors forward!
Akyem!
Let the earth shake beneath our feet! Drive them to Don Juan this, remember our victory!
Katamanso, hear the echoes of the door, echoes of the door, sacred lands of the gods, sacred lands of the gods. Where blood remembers, where their we stand to defend. We rise to protect.
Katamanso echoes of Dodowa, lands of the gods.
For Akyem, strike it down!
Stay down. Your fight is over.
For Akyem! Like this! Akyem men, show them said this land no be for taking!
Dare to challenge me? I will cut you all in pieces. Warriors, the battle is not over. We must return to camp. Take the information! Move out now! This is not defeat! We will return stronger!
My king, I shall take my leave now. Your healing is done.
Men, the battle is not over. Our enemy bleeds just like we do. Tomorrow they shall face us again.
We have never faced anything like this. The coastal tribes fought like lions, fearless. We met them with 40,000 warriors, and still they stand.
Get well, brothers. Your fight is not over. You must rest and let the wound heal. Tomorrow the enemy shall answer to my sword.
Eyes of iron, names of fathers on the tongue, breath shaking in the dark air. Spears like forests, shields like night, old drums waking on the calloused hands, earth remembering every step. Whispers of elders circle the hill, smoke draws stories high into the black sky. Oh, Katamanso, we rise, echoes of
My elders, we have returned, but the battle is still not yet over. The Dagombas and the Ashanti still holds ground. They are wounded, but yet not defeated. We have the advantage of the ground more than they do. At first rising sun, we will attack. We will strike high up on Dodowa mountains. The sun blinds them.
Spirits of the earth, awaken and heal. Flow through this vessel, restore the light. With these leaves, the ancestors bless.
The weight of the ancestors presses upon me, priestess.
It is a burden you must carry, my king. The spirits will guide you.
I will not falter.
Your wound, it should be healed by midnight.
First rising sun, the battleground await me.
Then you must rest now, and so the wound can heal. My husband, I see the dust of war still follows you.
I have come back.
As I promised.
The spirits were with me today.
You're hurt. Lean on me.
The fight was fierce.
Come to the tent. Rest now.
I can walk.
We'll go together. The war marked you deeply. It did not wish to let you go.
It tried. It always tries.
Be still. Even a lion must sit when the wound is open.
I sat enough on the road back.
When they said you were seen falling, my heart closed itself.
I fell. The ground knows my weight. But the earth did not keep me.
Let me get you some water. Here. The ancestors carried you.
They watched. You are the one who called me home.
Of Dodowa, land of the gods. Sweat and blood, tears of fire. Courage we carry, we rise, we defend, we protect, we
The war is not finished.
No, but tonight it does not speak here. I have returned to you again.
Sweat and blood, tears of fire. Courage we carry. We rise, we defend, we protect.
Servant, these provisions must reach the Ashanti king tonight. Deliver them with haste and respect. Do not fail.
Yes, my lady, it will be done. Food or poison? Who are you? State your purpose. Who sent you? Great warrior, we come in peace. Food or poison hidden beneath cloth and clay? Palm oil, maize, real food. Food bearers from the outer camp. You have come far in a night that swallows the weak. We bring strength for your body and for your warriors. From the woman who refuses to serve her people alone. I tell her this, the king remembers those who will stand when the night is longest. Tonight we eat, tomorrow we rise again. If your hearts carry deceit, the ancestors will judge you before we do. Today, we drive them back. I feel strength, but something is not right.
Katamanso, echoes of Dodowa.
This is not strength.
Of the gods.
My king, we have been poisoned. Ah! Rising! Silence! Who allowed this strange food into my camp? They strike in the dark, but we will answer in the light.
Voice of the god.
Rise, warrior, the kingdom endures. Gods, hold your ground. Our strength is our unity. Find them. They shall suffer in pain for this.
Katamanso. Echoes of Dodowa. Voice of the god.
The spirits mark you strong.
Rise, warrior. We march to meet the others.
Yes, my queen.
Arrive. Secure them. No delays. The British await.
Dodowa.
You bring arms to my kingdom.
A gesture of alliance, Your Majesty.
We shall see.
Your wound is still open. You do not belong to the ground again so soon. The sun has not climbed far. Yet the war already pulls at you.
Men, prepare yourselves. Today the sun rises for our people. Today we defend our land.
My heart feels heavy. Every battle takes more from you.
You know I am the chief commander. My king needs me to lead our warriors. Our people stand because we stand strong. My king calls. I must answer. Do not let fear take your spirit. I shall return. Victory in my hands.
Prepare yourselves, men of Ada. We march to battle before dawn.
This forest has watched many battles. Tonight it will remember ours.
Nana, the Ashanti camp is beyond the reach.
Then the time has come.
On this day, let the earth remember our feet.
Warriors! Dodowa must be protected! Forward!
of the land. Hey, yo.
I see them coming. We must stand firm. Warriors, march with pride. Move steady. Today our strength will speak. With me! With me! Men of Dagma, with me! Let me fight! The fight for student! What's that? Never take this! You are far from home. You followed Yawakoto to fight his battle. Promised land will turn to bloodbath. I fight for my own honor, Kami. Your threats are empty. Forward, no going through! Advance! Close with enemy on right! Dagobas! From the lower ground we rise! On the king! Men of Darkbone with me! fall today! No more time! Your retreat is... Do not relent, victory is ours! Dagobas, from the lower ground we rise! On the king, Janda feelers, no retreat! Dagobah forward, drive them back! On the king, press the attack, no menace! Turn the field, up the hill, finish them!
Before the fire, the land remembered.
Ashes sleeping
Under quiet storm.
Men of Dagbon with me! For the king!
Smoke on the hills, shadows on the river, old trees leaning to listen to the ground.
In the year of battle,
The earth trembles
dust rose slowly.
like spirits from the soil.
Warriors rise from red brown paths.
Faces painted, destiny called their name. Akyem, Katamanso,
Dodowa.
Carry him gently. We live to rise again. We must return back to Kumasi. This land different weight. We stood together and today, Katamanso remain ours.
Dodowa, Dodowa.
a name that echoes through dust and thunder, over quiet fields. Katamanso.
The smoke still rises. We must move. Aye, the fallen need us to carry on. Then rise. We honor them by surviving. Press forward, men. We withdraw to safer ground. Stay vigilant. The enemy may still pursue. Hold formation. Do not break.
The land remembered.
Ashes sleeping
Under quiet storm.
The smoke settles. The enemy is silent. Our banners still rise. People of the coast, sons and daughters of the ancestors, carry this victory home. The land is secured. Let the world remember this day. To the fallen who will not walk home, your spirits walk ahead of us forever. I stand here wounded but unbent, because a king does not rule by blood alone. He rules by the strength of those who stand beside him.
Thank the gods for your return.
Yes, they let us go.
Sisters, we gather to honor our loss.
Great Otumfuo, we have done all the medicine our fathers teach us.
Let the sacred oils anoint our sorrow.
I am your new king. Our great warrior king Oseyaw Akoto has joined our ancestors. From this day, my reign shall focus on trade and diplomacy, not conquest, so our kingdom may prosper.
Nana, we conquer plenty kingdoms, but we never see anything like this before. Gesenkran, except Accra.
Then the Accra king is a true warrior. Any king who can unite his people and defeat us deserves respect.
Nana, the Ga king showed mercy. He allowed our husbands, sons, and brothers to return to us. For that honor, we must show gratitude. Look upon our heads, Nana. We shaved our hair and it is called Yesenkran.
My daughters, your sacrifice speaks louder than words. Let yesterday's sorrow become tomorrow's wisdom.
This is not beauty, it is mourning. Every strand we removed carries the pain of those who fell at Dodowa. As long as our hair remains like this, the spirits of our departed shall never be forgotten.
Together we shall strengthen Asantman through peace, trade, and unity. Our Enna lives not only in battle, but in the dignity of our people.
Nana, my sisters and I must take our leave now. May our footsteps carry only gratitude.
Make way! The respected mothers of the Ashanti Kingdom approach His Majesty.
Great King, the respected mothers of the Ashanti Kingdom stand before your throne. They come bearing words of honor and gratitude.
Your Majesty, this gift cannot repay your sacrifice, but let it remind future generations that a grateful nation never forgets.
Your gratitude honors me. I receive this gift not for myself, but on behalf of every warrior, every mother, every child, and every soul who stood together for this kingdom.
We thank you, great King. May your reign be blessed.
The Dangme and their allies stood united, unshaken. At Katamanso, unity humbled an empire. The Ashanti Empire, led by King Osei Yao Akoto and his Dagomba warriors, was defeated and driven back toward their homeland. That defeat reshaped history. Old divisions faded. From the coast, a united front rose. Fante, Akyem, Akwamu, and Denkira returned to their lands, and peace followed. Led by King Takikome, alongside British officers, the Ga and a small Akwamu force marched back to Christiansborg Castle at Osu to negotiate their terms. Later, the Dangme returned to Ada and the Akwamu to Akwamufie. In 1877, Accra replaced Cape Coast as the capital. The Katamanso War marked a turning point. Unity became strength. Survival became legacy.
Katamanso, we rise. Call of the fallen answers in our homeland. Stand, boy. Katamanso, Katamanso, do what we rise. Katamanso, do rise. Katamanso, do what? Blood and prayer together till the last flame dies out. Katamanso, do what?
Echo of Dodowa, land of the gods, sweat and blood, tears of fire, courage we carry, we rise, we defend, we protect. Echoes at Dodowa.